Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build this Minecraft Tulip figurine completely without glue or tape. We'll be using the same strategy introduced in the first video. You'll find the link in the description. Here's what you'll need for this build. 9 brown cubes for the base, 6 dark green and 4 light green cubes along with their covers. For the flower, 4 dark red, 5 lighter red and 4 light red cubes, each with their matching covers. As always, we're building from the bottom up, using the same approach as in the first video. Start from one side and move around, gradually locking everything in place until the base is complete. Take your time. It's important that everything clicks together firmly. Make sure you check every corner and connection. The second row can be a bit tricky, especially the middle cube, which needs to connect to 2 other cubes at once. Be patient and make sure it's tightly attached. We'll be applying the same strategy we used last time, just stack the flaps of one cube into the other. If needed, remove the top cover, insert the flaps in the right place and then put the cover back on. It's easier this way and it gives you more control over the build. Make sure to turn the figurine all around to check that all the edges are properly connected. Repeat this step until the entire flower base is finished. Use this video as a guide if you need help, no rush. Now that the base is ready, let's add the stem. Take your time and pick the shade of green you want for the stem. You can follow the model from the left tulip that you see here in the video or design the stem however you want. Just keep it balanced and sturdy. Build it one cube at a time. Don't be afraid to rotate the model as much as you need, it makes it easier to insert the flaps cleanly. Here's how it should look once the stem is finished. Now, this next part is important. Once the flower is added, there won't be much room left to attach the covers on top. So I highly recommend adding them now. It will make your life a lot easier later on. Let's move to the flower. Just like before, build one cube at a time and add the covers where necessary. Now we're building the top of the flower. Just take the time here. It's a bit more delicate than the base, but the steps are the same. Flap by flap, cube by cube. You might need to remove a cover here and there to get better access. That's totally normal. Just make sure everything clicks together tightly before you move to the next part. You can customize the color pattern here if you want. Once you finish the base of the flower, you're ready to give it some shape. Let's add some dimension. The next two cubes you'll add need to connect to their neighboring cubes on all sides. So double check each connection to make sure everything's locked in place securely. Make sure every connection is secure. Feel free to rotate the model as much as you need, whatever helps you reach those flaps more easily. And don't worry if it feels tricky at first, the flower shape will really come together once the last few cubes are in place. Flip the bill to the other side and repeat those same steps. And there you go, the tulip is complete. Now, let's finish up by adding all the covers for a nice polished look. And we are done! That's how you build a Minecraft tulip. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video where we'll build my favorite figurine so far, the adorable Minecraft bee.